Hi, in today's video, I'll share an authentic Mediterranean recipe for making sage tea. Since this herb comes from the Mediterranean region, it makes sense that the locals know best how to use it. Not all methods of preparing this healthy drink are the same. If brewed incorrectly, sage can lose its medicinal properties. So stick around to learn why the right preparation makes a difference. I also always recommend drinking sage tea made from plants that grew in their natural habitat. Such wild sage is much richer in nutrients than farm-grown varieties. Here's something the sellers won't usually tell you. Farm sage requires pesticides to thrive, unlike wild sage. That's why I always advise choosing wild sage tea if you can. You'll notice the flavor is richer and more vibrant than in cultivated sage. Since I'm from the Mediterranean myself, I always keep a stash of wild harvested sage, untouched by anything but the breath of nature. This is my sage dried and ready that my family enjoys as tea throughout the year. Before anything else, let's explore some of the healing properties of this plant, also known as nature's antibiotic. Sage, or Salvia officinalis, is a Mediterranean herb with a strong scent and distinctive bitter taste. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine as a natural antiseptic, antibiotic, and antifungal remedy. It's believed to strengthen immunity and support glandular health. Sage tea is a popular natural remedy for stomach issues, helping with bloating, gas, and digestion. It can also help with sweating, particularly for women in menopause. Sage is packed with vitamins K, B8, iron, calcium, magnesium, and riboflavin. Its high antioxidant content makes it a powerful antiseptic that strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight harmful free radicals. Sage tea can be drunk or used as a mouthwash for throat and mouth inflammation. The preparation method depends on the intended use. If you're using sage as an antiseptic for mouth or throat rinsing, here's what you do. Pour 1 cup of boiling water over a tablespoon of dried sage. And let it steep for about 30 minutes before straining. When ready, hold it in your mouth or gargle, depending on whether you're treating mouth sores, gums, or a sore throat. If you're drinking it, add 1 teaspoon of dried sage to a cup of boiling water. Cover and steep for 15 minutes before straining. Sage tea prepared this way can be consumed twice daily. For helping with menopause-related sweating, drink tea made from sage flowers. One thing you should never do is boil sage. Always just pour hot water over it. Ideally, the water temperature should stay below 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. If you boil sage leaves even for just 3 minutes, they'll lose their thujons and essential oils responsible for its antiseptic properties, meaning you won't receive the full health benefits this herb can offer. That's it for now. I hope you learned something new and found this information useful. Stay healthy until the next video, and let me know in the comments if sage tea has helped you.